Hi, my name's Shane, and this is Better Totes and Guns. Especially hi, my name's Shane, and this is the food specials this week at the last chance.
It works.
Yeah. We've been on holidays. Not real holidays, but just filming holiday. We've been doing some stuff, getting some shit done, and we've got an update on a couple of things. Update on shirts, and an update on something else.
I don't know. You haven't talked to me about this one.
Yeah. Anyway, the update on the shirts is that they're on their way.
Well, a lot of them.
A lot of them.
We've got a big batch coming in pretty soon. We're going to organise the option for local people to pick them up. We'll be in touch over email if you're one of the people whose shirts are in. But yeah, the ball's still rolling with it. We've got a fair batch coming in soon, and looking forward to getting them out.
And then, in the next couple of weeks we're going to organise the next batch. Anyway, so they're coming out. So we'll organise a local pickup. We might even do a day or something.
Yeah.
Have a barbecue.
Have a barbie.
Give an excuse for people to come to the pub.
Yeah, why not?
So that's the t-shirt update. Done. It was good getting them done. Yeah.
Feels good to have some more coming in, and yeah.
Yep.
Probably should explain where we've been while we haven't been talking without saying, obviously. We can't.
There's a lot of things. We've actually been, there's been a couple of reasons why we haven't been filming. We've had a lot on. Like a lot. What can I talk about that we've been doing? Not much.
No.
But we've been really busy, but we've had people away as well, so we've been covering a lot of shit. I was about to say shit, but shifts with an F, shifts. And Jared Goon's been covering shifts even in the day.
Yeah, it's been good.
Been good, been fun.
Got a big load of grog in today, so there's plenty there to drink.
Yeah, and we've been doing a fair bit, but look, t-shirts are on their way. That was a big thing to get organised. So we've been doing that as it was part of it. We've had some meetings with the government, which is my next update bit, which we've been doing a lot of work on. So how could I say, Joe, good? They were really good. There was the one with the, memory escapes me. What was his name? Colin Brooks, the Minister for Creative Industries in Victoria, was really good. Really positive. I've been working on some stuff to send through to them. They've been really good. We've been having meetings with ways in which we can improve the way in which venues are treated.
And did you mean to say Tony Burke before as well?
Oh yeah, Tony Burke. I said his name. I said your name.
Don't distract him when he's doing the right thing.
I said Tony Burke.
You said Dave Burke.
You might. Oh, did I?
Yeah.
Anyway, Tony Burke. But yeah, about things we can do to improve the longevity of venues, and particularly protecting them, bringing down the exorbitant costs that we've got, like insurance, a whole heap of other shit. So we can make this industry at the smaller end of town, more resistant to failure, basically. And like all politicians, they listen, but whether they do something is up to us. So we've in reality, we know we have to do the work and kind of hand it to them on a plate, and they'll enact the things that they can do, because don't envy politicians. They juggle a lot of things, but so do I. So ain't that fucking tough for them. But yeah, look, we just want to make sure that the whole industry is taken care of, because therefore, if we're taken care of, then bands are taken care of. It's that ecosystem we're talking about. We've also I've been working on a campaign that when I get it to the right stage, I will let it loose on the world. and it's a campaign about music and getting people to see music, as many people as possible. Because we think it's a great thing and it's good for the world, and I think the world needs good stuff in it no matter what. And, it's good. Don't matter who, where or what. Go see it. That's what I'm on about. Yeah, apart from that, Derek, we haven't been up to much, have we? So basically, we are going to make some changes to Better Totes and Gardens in the future. We're going to retool it to be better. So you will see a bit more of everything, but we've kind of taken it. We haven't really talked about it much, have we, guys?
No, it's just timeline-wise. I remember they can't hear a word I'm saying because I'm too far away from the microphone.
Yeah. Look,
you've got your arm on the microphone.
I knew it.
Oh, I wanted you to put it at the top.
Look, we'll probably be filming a little bit more. Well, no, I don't know. It'll be a mixture of shit that we're going to film, but it might slow down.
We're not talking about that. We're talking about the fact that we haven't made an episode in 3 weeks. And what you see happening going forward.
Oh, what I see happening going forward. Okay, well, the reasons why we haven't filmed is, we've been just flat out. And literally, you don't want to see us sitting in front of a computer. That's not interesting. It's interesting for us in the room because we talk a lot of shit, but it would not be interesting for you to see me. One, I'm in meetings. 2, I'm on a computer. That's what I've been doing. But moving forward, we are going to bring it back. We're going to probably retool Better Totes and Gardens a little bit. We are about to, once we get these t-shirts out of the way, which will be sooner than you think, and we close off that chapter, which is fantastic because it's been albatross across my neck for a long time. We're moving on to some other things. I can't tell you what they are. They may or may not involve finishing the stuff off that we've already done. So it'll involve that, but we may just do a mixture of things, I think. I think we might have a few more, I'll put it up there, a few more things where we catch up with bands and stuff like that, stuff that's a bit easy to film, and a bit more, it'll be a bit more of everything.
Everyone's pretty sick of seeing our faces anyway. It'll be good to have some fresh faces.
They miss us doing shit in the backyard, to be honest. That's the feedback I get the most.
Well, summer's coming up, the sun will be out.
Summer is coming out. We've got some more stuff like that, but look, we've just been trying to survive winter, which we have, and but yeah, a lot of the stuff I just can't talk about. We've got stuff coming up that we want to keep as a bit of a surprise for everyone, and let it unfold, and it'll unfold. We'll film it as it unfolds, but it won't, there'll be other stuff. But yeah, we want to get some new faces in, and
there'll be some great stories when everything wraps up as well.
Yeah, so Gaz, we've finally sat down and talked about, or we had a brief chat about finally talking about the documentary that we're doing about the whole thing, and we're literally wanting to push it back until everything's settled and finalised, and there's things that we want to talk about that at the moment we probably could film them, but we want to wait because there's a lot of challenges that we've had that nobody knows about, and we've kept them pretty quiet. But they're interesting and they're a big part of the story of the tote. And saving the tote didn't end 2 years ago. It's still going.
Yeah, 10 years.
Yeah, it probably won't end for literally another 5 or 6 years, but there's a lot of stuff involved in, it's bigger than what people realise. and it's a part of the story, and we want to include in it. But we're thinking about starting production on that as well, which will be interesting because, you know, I've got to get better looking before we film that.
What do you mean? I've been filming it for fucking 4 years.
But I mean for the sit-down interviews where, you know. Yeah, but we're working on that. So there's a lot of things happening. But yeah, like basically the story hasn't ended. And it's still going to keep going for a long time. We're sorry that we haven't seen your faces, but yeah, we've been busy and, you know, we just haven't had time. That's it. It's as simple as possible, but it's a good reason, a good thing we haven't been filming. But yeah, we've got a lot coming up, a lot planned, a lot of the old style stuff we used to do, a lot of the new stuff that we're going to do. It'll be interesting, but you know, like when you get super busy, like we have been for the last couple of months, you know, because we've been doing a lot of just bar work, you know, it's good. But yeah, what was I trying to say, Jared? Good, I forgot.
I reckon I lose.
Yeah, look, you know, but the particular thing we want to thank is the staff who have kind of, because we have been busy and they've taken a load. Goon and Gaz have taken on doing stuff at the Tote during the day, which usually we'd be around to do. So I've had time to sit down and do things. And like, this isn't, you know, they've learnt on the fly how to do these things and they've knocked it out of the park.
Place hasn't fallen down yet.
No, in fact, they've made improvements across the board. So it's been really good. But, you know, like even, you know, we had staff over at Lasties that were helping one another out do stuff and they've done really well at that, you know. Everyone's kind of like picked up a ball so we could spend time on doing stuff to improve our position and do better things, and it's been great. And yeah, without them, like the thing everyone should realise is without the dedication of people that, you know, work in and around us, these places would fall apart. And we really appreciate everything, you know. We appreciate Goon's beautiful jumper, and yeah, that's about it. Like, there's not much else. It's a nice jumper.
It's a good one, isn't it?
Seahorses and everything.
Yeah.
Are they fish from Frankston?
Ah, bought it in Japan, actually.
Oh, it's Japanese one.
Yeah.
It's nice. We get a close-up on that. He looks really good. Like, look at that.
Get your own, Shane.
But yeah, that's it. So anyway, like, hopefully when all these stories that we've alluded to come out, you'll really enjoy them because they're quite funny. They're quite good. They're quite interesting. But that's it. That's Anton, the soundie. We're about to start getting ready for a festival. So that's it. Anyway, we'll probably see you next week. When I've got something for next week we're going to film. And that's kind of bloody it. Lovely to see you all. We're back. I'm sorry I did have other news, but I'm not allowed to share it just yet. I'm being told to hold off.
Announcement of an announcement.
I've got it. So this is an announcement of
big things coming soon.
There is a big thing coming soon. And if you're not up to anything this week, I've got a gig on Last Chance. We've had a heap of pull-outs over the next month.
This will be after the gig.
No, next week.
Oh, next week.
Yeah.
Oh, sweet.
On the 26th at Last Chance. Please come down. It's free, or we're going to pass a jug and all the money's going to go to pay the rent. So preferably it's not free. You chuck some money in the jug and do that. The lineup all pulled out this morning because someone did their back. But Jared Goon's playing it with me. Forgot, there's some big news. Jared Goon and I are playing in a band together. But come down. We're not good. Well, actually, we've never practiced.
I should probably listen to the songs and I've got to learn.
I think we're going to have our first rehearsal in 6 years next week. So that'll be good. But yeah, come down. Why not? Take a moment to plug something wherever I can. But yeah, Sunday the 26th at the Last Chance from 8 p.m. We've got some special guests that we can't announce because it would turn into a fucking...
Big things coming soon.
Big things coming soon, that's it. But yeah, that's it. Thanks to Goon for all the work he's done on the t-shirts.
whatever.
I'm the one holding him back.
Always holding me back.
Always holding me back, but yeah, there you go. That's done. And anyway, can we go out on the neighbours theme too?